Here we have the Crenova vacuum sealer. We have 3 buttons on the very top for stop, seal, and vacuum seal. If you open it up, you will see the seal that the bag goes in. You get your roll of bag, place it in the middle over here, and once you have it here, you will just press down on here. Just make sure it stays in the middle. Press down until you hear a click. Then you press seal, and the light should indicate if it's working. Once it turns off, that means it's sealed the bag. You can now press the side buttons, it should pop open. And here we have our bag sealed. You can see the seam line right here. Now what you do is you just cut a piece out of here to make a little pouch. And once you have a little pouch, all you have to do is grab food, place it inside of the bag. Once you place it in the bag, put it back in the middle, close down the lid, make sure it clicks again, and press vacuum seal. And press the buttons, and here you go, we have our sealed bag. Let's take a look at some of the accessories. This is the tube that you use for vacuum sealing jars. They don't actually include it in this kit, but you can buy it separately. Just place the tubing right here, press the button, and it should suck out the air from the container. And here are the bags that you get. You get a bunch of bags, such as this large one. It's a lot wider than the roll. The roll is a continuous bag.